Lily, look outside. It's raining.
Oh no, it's raining a lot today.
I know, and your interview is at 10 o'clock.
Right. I really hope we're not late.
Don't worry, we still have time.
I hope so. This job is really important to me.
I understand. You are going to do great.
Thank you. But how will we get there in this rain?
Let's take the bus. It's faster than walking.
Good idea. Where is the closest bus stop?
It's just 2 blocks from here.
Okay, let me get my umbrella.
Good thinking. I'll bring mine too.
Do you know which bus we need?
I think it's the number 12 bus.
The number 12? Are you sure?
Let me check the app on my phone.
Okay, please check.
Yes, the number 12 goes straight to Main Street.
Perfect. That's exactly where the interview is.
Exactly. We should leave soon.
What time is it now?
It's 8:30.
Oh, that's not bad. We have an hour and a half.
See? No need to worry.
True. I just feel nervous.
That's normal. Everyone feels nervous before an interview.
Did you feel nervous before your interviews?
Every single time.
Really? Even you?
Yes, really. It's a completely normal feeling.
That makes me feel a little better.
Good. Now let's get ready.
Okay, I have my umbrella.
I have mine too. Let's go.
Wait, do I need my resume?
Yes, don't forget it.
Oh no, thank you for reminding me.
It's in your bag, right?
Yes, right here.
Good. Now we can go.
Okay, let's go downstairs.
After you.
Thank you.
The rain is really loud today.
I can hear it on the roof.
Don't worry, our umbrellas will keep us dry.
I hope so. This is a new dress.
It looks very nice for the interview.
Thank you, Max.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay, let's open the door.
Wow, the rain is heavy.
It's really coming down.
Coming down. What does that mean?
It means the rain is falling fast and hard.
Oh, I understand now.
Let's open our umbrellas.
Okay, mine is open.
Mine too. Let's walk to the bus stop.
Here we are. This is the bus stop.
Good, we can stand under this roof.
It will keep us dry while we wait.
When does the bus come?
It should come every 15 minutes.
Let's check the schedule.
It's right here on the sign.
I see. The next bus comes at 8:50.
That's in 10 minutes.
Good, we still have time.
Good morning. Terrible weather, isn't it?
Good morning. It's very rainy today.
Hello. Are you also waiting for the number 12 bus?
Yes, dear. I take this bus every morning.
Oh, that's nice. Is the bus usually on time?
Most days, yes. But rain can slow it down.
Really? Why is that? Because of traffic. Cars go slower in the rain.
That makes sense.
Do you think we'll still reach Main Street by 9:30?
Probably, but leave some extra time, just in case. Just in case? What does that mean? It means being ready if something unexpected happens. Oh, I understand. Thank you for explaining. You're welcome, dear.
Are you going to work today too?
No, I'm going to visit my daughter.
That sounds nice. I see her every Friday.
That's a lovely tradition.
It really is. Where are you two headed?
I have a job interview on Main Street.
Oh, how exciting. What job is it?
It's a job at a bookstore. That sounds wonderful. Good luck to you. Thank you so much.
I think I see the bus coming.
Really? Where?
Over there, past the traffic light.
Yes, that's our bus.
Finally. I'm a little excited now.
Me too. Let's get ready to board.
Don't forget your umbrella when you get on.
Oh, right. Thank you for reminding me.
The bus is slowing down.
Good. It's stopping right in front of us.
After you two. Thank you, but please, you go first.
How kind. Thank you.
Watch your step. It's wet.
I will be careful, dear.
Have a nice day, Turner.
You too. Good luck at your interview.
Let's find some seats.
I see 2 near the back.
Let's go there. Good morning. Where are you two headed? Good morning. We're going to Main Street. Okay, that will be $2.50 each.
Do you accept cards?
Yes, just tap your card right here.
Great. Let me tap it.
Perfect. You're all set. Here is my fare too. Thank you. Please find a seat. We will. Thank you.
Let's sit near the window.
Good idea. I love watching the city.
Me too. Even in the rain.
Look, the raindrops are racing down the window.
That's a nice way to say it.
It's just a fun way to describe rain on glass.
I like that. Racing down.
Are you okay? You look a little quiet.
I'm just thinking about the interview questions.
Which questions are you worried about?
They might ask why I want this job.
What will you say?
I'll say I love reading and helping people find books.
That's a perfect answer.
You really think so?
Yes, it's honest and simple. That's the best kind of answer.
Thank you, Max. That helps a lot.
Look, the bus is slowing down.
Why is it slowing down?
I think there's traffic ahead.
Oh no, is that because of the rain?
Probably. Rain always makes traffic worse.
How much time do we have left?
It's 9:10 now. We have 50 minutes.
Okay, that's still plenty of time.
Don't worry, we planned ahead.
You're right. I need to stay calm.
Deep breaths.
Okay, I feel a little better now.
Look outside. The rain is getting lighter.
Oh, you're right. It's not as heavy.
That's good news for us.
Walking will be easier later.
The bus is moving again.
Good. We're moving forward.
Next stop should be close to Main Street.
How do we know when to get off?
The driver will announce the stop.
Okay, I'll listen carefully.
Next stop, Fifth Avenue. That's not our stop yet.
How many more stops?
Just 2 more after this one.
Good. Not too far now.
Let's get ready in a few minutes.
Okay, I'll get my bag ready.
Okay, this is our stop.
Let's get off carefully.
Watch the last step. It's wet.
Thank you. Okay, we're off the bus.
Main Street is just around the corner.
Great, we're getting close.
Oh no, the wind is getting strong.
I can feel it too. Hold your umbrella tight. Oh no, my umbrella just broke.
Are you okay?
I'm fine, but now I have no umbrella.
Don't worry. Look, there's a vendor selling umbrellas.
Really? Where?
Right there on the corner.
Let's go ask him.
Good morning. Looking for an umbrella?
Yes, please. Mine just broke in the wind.
That happens a lot on windy days.
How much are your umbrellas?
$5 each.
$5? That's not bad at all.
Would you like the black one or the blue one?
I'll take the blue one, please.
Great choice. Here you go.
Do you accept cash or card?
Both are fine.
I'll pay with cash.
Perfect. $5, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much. Stay dry.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
That was lucky. A vendor right when we needed one.
What good timing?
Good timing? What does that mean?
Wait, you're asking me? You're usually the one explaining.
I know, but I want to hear you explain it this time.
Okay, good timing means something happens at just the right moment.
That's a perfect explanation.
Thank you. I'm learning too, you know?
Yes, you are. Let's keep walking.
My new umbrella is working well.
It looks sturdy.
Sturdy? What does that mean?
It means strong and well-made.
Oh, I like that word.
We're almost at Main Street now.
I can see the street sign ahead.
That's it.
My heart is beating fast.
That's normal. You're almost there.
I know. I just want it to go well.
You will do great, Lily. I believe in you.
Thank you, Max. That means a lot.
There it is, the bookstore's office building.
We made it.
What time is it now?
9:50.
Oh, good. We have 10 minutes.
See? We planned well.
I'm still a little nervous, though.
Can I tell you something?
Of course.
My first job interview was also on a rainy day.
Really? What happened?
I was almost late, just like today.
Oh no, what did you do?
I ran the last 2 blocks in the rain.
Did you get the job?
I did, and I was soaking wet.
Soaking wet? What does that mean?
It means completely wet, from head to toe.
That must have been funny.
It was. The manager even laughed with me.
That's a sweet memory.
It reminds me that mistakes are okay.
I like that idea.
Being a little nervous doesn't mean you'll fail.
True. I needed to hear that.
You worked hard to prepare for this.
I did. I practiced my answers all week.
I remember. You practiced with me twice.
And you gave me good advice.
I'm proud of you, Lily.
Thank you, Max. That really means a lot to me.
You are going to do wonderfully today.
I hope so. I really want this job.
I know you do, and you're ready for it.
Thank you for coming with me today.
Of course, I wouldn't miss it.
Should I fix my hair before I go in?
Yes, it's a little wet from the rain.
Let me fix it quickly.
There, it looks perfect now.
How do I look?
Confident and ready.
I feel a little more confident now, too.
Good, that's exactly how you should feel.
Okay, I think it's time.
Go show them how amazing you are.
I'll try my best.
I'll be right here waiting for you.
Thank you, Max. I'll see you soon. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I have an interview at 10 o'clock.
What's your name, please?
Lily Chen.
Let me check the list. Yes, here you are.
Great. Am I on time?
You're right on time.
Oh, that's a relief.
Right on time means exactly when you should be.
Thank you for explaining that.
You're welcome. Please have a seat over there.
Thank you very much.
Someone will call your name shortly.
Okay, I'll wait here.
Terrible weather to travel in today, isn't it?
It was quite an adventure getting here.
Oh, what happened?
My umbrella broke on the way, but I found a new one.
I'm glad you found one in time.
Me too. It all worked out well.
That's the spirit. Thank you.
Lily Chen?
Yes, that's me.
Hello, I'm Davis. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Please follow me to my office.
Okay, thank you.
There you are. How did it go?
Max, it went really well.
Really? Tell me everything.
Davis was so kind. We talked for 30 minutes.
Wow, that's a long interview. That's a good sign.
I think so too. He asked me why I love books.
What did you say?
I told him books helped me learn English.
That's a wonderful answer.
He smiled when I said that.
See, I told you that you were ready.
You were right. Thank you for believing in me.
Of course. So when will you know if you got the job?
He said they'll call me in 3 days.
That's exciting. I hope you get good news.
Me too. I feel really proud of myself today.
You should feel proud. You handled everything so well.
We handled everything well. Together.
True. It was quite a morning.
It really was. Look, the rain even stopped.
The sun is finally out.
What a difference from this morning.
I know. It rained so hard when we left home.
And then my umbrella broke in the wind.
I still can't believe that happened.
But we found a new one just in time.
Good timing, right?
Yes, I remember that word now.
What other words did you learn today?
Let me think. Soaking wet.
That was from my story.
Right, when you ran in the rain for your first job.
I still remember that day clearly.
I also learned sturdy for my new umbrella.
A great word to remember.
And right on time from the receptionist.
You learned so much today.
I did. It was a big day for many reasons.
How do you feel now?
Happy and a little tired.
That makes sense. It was a busy morning.
Thank you for coming with me, Max.
I wouldn't have missed it for anything.
You're a really good friend.
You're a really good friend too, Lily.
Should we celebrate with some lunch?
That sounds perfect. I know a nice place nearby.
Great, let's go. I'm actually very hungry now.
Me too. Let's celebrate your amazing interview.
I can't wait to see what happens next.
Whatever happens, I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Max. Today was a really good day.
It really was. Let's go get some lunch.
Yes, let's go.